Hi, good evening. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, in additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 6th, 2023. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 5th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The Tectonic with 1 star. And this one you are interested. Sudoku with 0 stars, number 6711. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, 30 printed digits I've already counted. Definitely a 0 stars. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, maybe need to be faster than 40 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Two missing numbers. In the middle row for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in the second row, so no 4 and 8 in these two boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Let me see. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, okay. The 1. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. Yeah, we have a 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here, 2 in this row, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. Alright. Come on. Well. Need a 1 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 9. Yep, 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 9. So we here or there. We see a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. Here 9 in the row above. So no 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 4. 8. Yeah. I'm still thinking. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. Alright, 3. And now, you need a 3 here. We have a pair. The 1 and the 3 in this first row. The 1 and the 3 in the in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left in the second row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. Oh, 8. Okay, so we have a 6 there. Okay. 6. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 also here. Alright, 7, 9, and 5. 7, 9, and a 5. Yeah. Come on. Need a 9 here. Interesting. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 5 and a 7. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Come on. Need a 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in this box. Here, 3 in the last column, no 3 in that box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the first column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 6. Okay, cannot continue with the 6 now. How about 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. Alright, 4 and 8. We have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 8, 5. One of the missing numbers is an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no need to place left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. That means 1 digit left in this row for the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and 8. Can I fill this here? Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9 cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Alright, so we have a 7 here. Okay, and now, these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9 cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Here we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, no need to place left for the 5, could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below don't need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column, oh wait, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 3, we have a 1 now in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, 7 goes there. Alright. Need a 7 here. 1, need a 5 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. How about the 8? Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5 and 8. So this box can be an 8 in the more. This box should be a 5, and that box should be an 8. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah, need a 6 here, need a 7 here, yeah. Oh wait. We have a 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column with 3, no need 2 places left for the 9, could be here, could be there. How about, need an 8 here, yeah. Well, 8 should be there. I'm thinking, need a 4 here, yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the first row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 9, 5, and the 7, need a 7 here, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, though, need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 9 now, in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 5 goes there, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5, we have a 5 now in the first row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 40 minutes. We solved it again for the Zero Sudoku. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And in a minute I will continue with the last puzzle, the text on it with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.